Alright, so that was a little time lapse of how to make it into a straight chain. So you just turn it, flip the clutch inwards, remember to use Loctite. You put both chains together, and then that'll make it a straight chain. The front's a 10 tooth stock, but I'll be changing that clutch out. And then I believe the back is a 60. I want to say it's a 60. So we have a 10, 60. Here's all the stuff that we took off. So here's the jack shaft setup. Here's one of the things that fails on it. Also another piece that fails on here. There's all that. I broke the chain so it'd be smaller, so it'd be easier. I still have a lot of adjustment, so I'm just gonna loosen up just a tad. You don't have to break the chain. I just prefer to because I have a chain breaker, and that's how you do a straight chain on any of the mini bikes. So right now I'll button it up and then we'll take it for a ride, see how it feels, see how fast we can go.